Chapter 2, or Network Design Essentials. So in this chapter, there are 7 or 8 categories that we're gonna tackle about, and those are network design, designing a network layout, standard topologies, hubs, switches, variations of the major topologies, selecting a topology, construction or constructing a network layout, chapter summary, and key terms. So first, what is network design? Network design involves evaluating, understanding, and scoping the network to be implemented. So the whole network design is usually represented as a network diagram that serves as the blueprint for implementing the network physically. Designing a network layout, it is also described how the network devices are connected and the rules that govern the data transfer between them. There are many ways to approach the network architecture design, which depends on the purpose and size of the network. Standard topology. Standard topology or uncountable topology, the topology of the real number system generated by a basis which consists of all open poles or in the real number system, which are defined in terms of the one-dimension Euclidean metric or topology of a Euclidean space. It is also interconnected patterns of network elements. Vast topology, as you can see here, we have here the example of the vast topology, and the vast topology is being described as a specific kind of network topology in which all of the various devices in the network are connected to a single cable or line. In general, the term refers to a various devices are set up in a network. Star topology. Star topology is one of the most common network setups. In this configuration, every node connects to a central network device like a hub, switches, or computer. So the central network device acts as a server and the peripheral devices act as a client. In a star topology setup, either a coaxial or RJ45 network cable is used depending on the type of network card installed in each computer. So there's an example to the left side for the star topology and how it looks like. So as you can see here, there are advantage and disadvantage of star topologies. I'm gonna review and you can read by your own the other advantage and disadvantage. So let's focus to the advantage. So advantage for this is it can centralize management of the network through the use of the central computer's hub or switch. Also, it is easy to add another computers to the network. And the disadvantage for this is if the central computer hub or switch fails, the entire network goes down and all computers are disconnected from networks. Ring topology. A ring topology is a network configuration where device connects create a circular data path, each networked device is connected to two other like points on a circle. Together, devices a ring topology are referred to as a ring network. Also, ring topology may be used in either LANs or local area network or WANs or wide area networks, depending on the network cards used in each computer to the ring topology. A coaxial cable or an RJ45 network cable is used to connect computers together. Wireless topology. So as you can see here, we have here the example of wireless topology, and it shows how the computers connects each other when there is no physical connection. So the computer communicate each using the wireless device. Hub. So hub is connected to multiple other devices or spokes. To implement this design of Google Cloud, you create a virtual private cloud or VPC which is connected to your own on-premises network via either cloud interconnect or VPN. So the VPC servers or serves as the hub. Active hub. So active hub active hub functions as multi-port repeaters, allowing computers to be networked together in a star topology. Virtually all hubs sold today are active hubs. This is the type of hubs that monitors amplifiers and regenerated signals. So it is also the type of hub that monitors signals are written in active hubs. Passive hubs. So passive hubs connects nodes in a star configuration by collecting wiring from nodes. They broadcast signal onto the network without amplifying or regenerating them. So you can see the figure 323 passive hub in a physical star network example in the left side. Hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a kind of network topology is combination of two or more network topologies such as mesh topology, bus topology, and ring topology. Its usage and choice are dependent on its deployment and requirements like the performance of the desired network. Switches. Switches are network devices operating a layer 2 or data link layer on the OSI model. They connect devices in a network and use packet switching to send, receive, or forward data packet or data frame other network. And also switches has a high performance network are still widely used in corporate networks and data centers. Network switches are sometimes referred to as switching hubs, bringing hubs, or MAC bridges. So, what are the variation of the major topologies? Topology defines the structure of the network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. So, extended star topology. Extended star topology network additional device that is directly connects to central networking device. So star topology is the most widely used network topology at homes and offices. Mesh topology. It is a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. So this topology setup allows the foremost transmission to be distributed even if one of the connection goes down. It is a topology commonly used for wireless network. Star bus topology. It is a networking topology in which hubs for work groups or departmental local area networks or LANs are connected by using a network bus to form a single network. So star bus topology is a combination of a star topology superimposed on a backbone bus topology. So star ring topology. Star ring topology is a network topology where each individual device of the network is attached to one central node, whereas a ring topology is a network configuration in which device connection creates circular data path. So selecting a topology, as you can see here, there are three examples, and those are the advantage of bus topology, advantage and disadvantage of bus topology, advantage and disadvantage of star topology, and the ring topology. So I'm gonna leave it there, and you can just feel free to read those if you are interested. So constructing a network layout. So as you can see here, there are a lot of explanation on how you're going to construct a network layout. So I'm gonna read some few of this. So to begin this evaluation process, we're determining how the network will be used. Some of most important questions to ask before constructing your network layout include how many clients computer will be attached, what are the company's plans for expansion, what kind of application will run, how much fault tolerance to be application, so on and so forth. And after you answer this question, your next step is to begin sketching a network layout. To do this effectively, obtain a copy of your building's blueprints and mark all planned locations for network resources, such as computer, printers, and so forth, so that all users have access to resources they need. You should include enough details in your network diagram so anyone can easily understand your network's instructions. You may need more than one drawing. For example, the network diagram might include a high-level view of all overall network, followed by detailed maps of office layout, cable numbers, and touch panels. To be effective in a network diagram must be kept up to date. If you do not immediately document changes made to the network, the map become worthless. So, chapter summary. So this is the summary for all the discussion we've tackled. So you can just feel free to read this summary if you would like to. And the key terms, these are the key terms being used for this chapter. So the chapter 2 ends here, and see you on chapter 3.